Spring has finally arrived. I'm out here in a t-shirt, getting ready to start on the 79 Ford again. Gotta get this project going. Gotta unbury it, get the tarp off of it, get after it.
Success. Done?
Yeah, I'm done. My wife got me this pressure washer, oh my gosh, it's been a while ago, and this is the first chance I've had to use it. Well, first chance I've taken to use it. It's the Sr 2030. I'll put a link down below to that. But I sprayed everything back here with degreaser, and I'm going to pressure wash to get all the dirt, debris, and as much of the rust chunks off as I can, so that I know exactly what I'm dealing with for rust removal. So that's the next step, pressure wash. Let's do it. So I got it all pressure washed down. Didn't get everything off of it, but it's a good start at least. There's a lot of grease on the differential, lots of rust debris still. You'll see a little better on this side probably. Lots of rust. Look at how shiny rusty that is. That's not a good thing. We'll get that taken care of though. Tavish is off at prom, so I've got to go run and take pictures of him. So this is being put on hold again for now. So this is after pressure washing. Still have a whole bunch of crud all over this thing, so I'm gonna attack it with some wire brush, some degreaser, that sort of thing, and see if I can get even more of that cleaned off before we start really getting after rust and that sort of thing. So just got some general cleanup to do, but manual labor. Let's get after it. So that's just a bucket of tap warm water, tap hot water. Going to use a wire brush and then use some degreaser down inside the solution. Got a spray bottle with some higher concentration so we can get after some of the nasty stuff. But let's do it. Start by just soaking it down real good. Let it penetrate a little bit. We've had a pretty rough winter here. Finally, the snow has melted. Start on these projects that have been just killing me. Wow, that's thick stuff. That is years of caked on grease. Well, I'm sure you can only watch a guy remove grease for so long, but here's what it looks like partway through the process. I'll do a before and after as well, but I've still got to get up in the frame rails, around the shock towers, shock mounts, all around all of the gas line fittings and all that stuff. So I'm going to put the camera away and just get busy on it, and then we'll take a look after we're done. I'm going to attack it with the pressure washer, see if I can get any more of the loose stuff off, a little less scraping and whatnot. So try to work smarter, not harder. I'm so mad. Is it too much to ask for one Saturday of good weather? Oh, the snow finally melted. And I finally have a Saturday that I can actually devote to this. I have nothing else on the schedule. And it starts to rain. And the forecast is for rain the rest of the day, so I'm packing it up. I did make some good progress on the 79 Ford. I'm starting on the frame from the cab back. Got the bumper ripped off, degreaser on the rear differential. The front seal in the rear diff is leaking, and so it's just been spraying gear oil all over everything for years. That was leaking when I owned the truck 20 years ago. It's still leaking today. I need to get that fixed. I should have fixed it 20 years ago, but I didn't. So now I'm paying for it because I own the truck again. So anyway, long story short, I'll take you out there real quick and show you the progress that I've made today, and hopefully we can get some good weather and I can get back to doing weekly videos of this thing. But anyway, this is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I get more time to do some more videos for you guys. I know you guys are loving this, so I wish I had more time to devote to the project, but full-time job, family, kids in sports, all that kind of stuff. Just takes too much time. So I'll try to get this done as quick as I can, but let's go check out the truck. Alright, so the most progress was made on the actual axle itself. I got a bunch of the grease off. When you get down to it, the grease has actually helped preserve the metal. Where that's shiny under there, that had about 1/8 of an inch of gear oil built up on it. Everything's soaking wet because it's raining, but stupid, I hate it. But we're gonna start treating this so that we can get the bed out of the garage and back on the truck, and then some real progress will be made. But it's starting to look good, starting to look real good. I got the rear gas tank out. It's right there. Front tank is going to stay in, I'll just work around it. But that one had so much rust back behind it, I had to get that thing out of there. Debating on replacing it. I'm going to peek inside of it and see how bad it is, but had some real bad rust on that back rail and up under the side rail. Got to take care of it. We're doing the best we can with the budget we've been given, which is not very much. But this is Troy, DIY Home and Auto, checking out. Thanks, guys.